How to fix cellular option is missing on Windows 11. So if you want to fix the cellular option is missing on Windows 11, then let's follow the steps. The first step you need to do is update, reinstall or uninstall the cellular adapter drivers. All of these options are valid because sometimes the current driver is not working well, or you just need to update to be a better driver, or simply reinstall the current driver. If it installed with corrupted files, so what you need to do is simply right click on the Windows button and then choose the device manager from the list of options. And here just simply go with the network adapters and make sure to locate the mobile broadband device or a similar name, or simply your network device. Now you just need to simply right click on it and then go with properties, and it will get this kind of interface. Now in here you have a few options to deal with. So you just need to simply go with the driver option, and you need to go with update drivers and search automatically for drivers. And after that, Windows will now try to find the best available drivers on your PC and install the drivers for you. Afterwards, you can simply restart your computer, but if this method doesn't prove useful, you can also roll back the drivers. You can simply go to rollback driver. If the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previously installed driver. So if you have the rollback driver option, you can go with rollback. If the solution also doesn't work, then you need to uninstall the device. So you just need to simply click on uninstall device and tick the box which is right here, attempt to remove the driver for this device, and then go with uninstall. And then restart your computer. You'll see that Windows will automatically attempt to reinstall the same driver, and then you can check if the problem still persists. Moving on to the another useful solution is to reconfigure the adapter settings. Now to do that, you just need to simply press the Windows button and then simply type ncpa.cpl and go with the first option. And from here you need to right click on the cellular network and then go with properties. And after that, scroll down until you select the suspension option and make sure to click on it. And afterwards, click on the value drop down menu and select the enabled option. After that, click on OK to save the changes and restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Lastly, another useful solution is to perform a system restore. To do this, you need to press the Windows button and then type RSTRUI and click on it, and then go with next and choose the first option and then go with next. Choose the earliest point in the time before the problem occurred, then click on next, and once again you need to click on the finish button to start the restoration process. From here on, everything is super simple. You can just wait until the process is finished, then you can check if the problem still persists. So these were the few fixes on how you can fix your cellular option is missing on your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.